Let's talk about Kilner Enamel Jam Pan, Red. Beautiful traditional maslin pan. Made from strong carbon steel with an enamel coating. Features internal measuring gauge in pints liters. Plus pouring lip and carrying handle. Suits all hobs, including inductions. Capacity, 8 liters. The color is nice and it looks great, although not the bright red it looks in the picture, more maroon. The size is good, much bigger than even my largest saucepan, and the measurement scale on the inside is very useful. So there's much less risk of splashing or boiling over, and my hob is happy about that. But the very first time I used it to make plum jam, the bottom burned. That surprised me, as that's what it's designed for. It took several days of soaking and scrubbing to get it all off. It also didn't distribute the heat as well as my copper-based saucepan, so you need to stir much more often, and maybe that's why it burnt in the Making jam needs a pan of this type. I've made jam in big saucepans, but the size matters. If you need a low heat to simmer your jam or chutney, I find smaller saucepans tend to stick and burn more easily. The pot looks really good but is really large, so storage can be an issue. I've only used the pot once, but the jam turned out lovely. It seemed to take longer to reach setting point than with my old saucepan, but that might have something to do with the fact I made a much larger quantity.